Worried that you may have accidentally downloaded some kind of virus or malware on your iPhone and want to clear it out? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove any viruses or malware that may be on your iPhone. Now let's get started. Before we get into the tips, we just want to note that viruses are pretty uncommon on iPhones, as Apple has set up iOS with very strict security measures. However, malware and viruses can still make their way onto your device if you downloaded files or apps from outside of the official App Store, or if your device has been previously jailbroken or modified. We'd suggest only downloading apps from the official App Store and never jailbreaking your iPhone to avoid compromising your device. If you believe your iPhone has been compromised with a virus or malware, here are 6 things you can do to remove it. If your iPhone was compromised due to a software bug, you can often solve those issues by installing the newest iOS update. These updates include security fixes that will patch any vulnerabilities. To update your iPhone, open your settings. Select General. Then Software Update. If an update is available, install the update and see if that solves your issue. If updating didn't solve your problem, the next thing we'd suggest is look through your app library and remove any apps you don't recognize or don't need, especially if you downloaded it from outside of the official App Store. To remove an app, hold down its icon, then tap Delete App in the pop-up menu. Tap Delete to confirm. Next, you'll want to delete your browsing data. Open your settings and tap Apps at the bottom. Then select the Safari browser. Scroll down to the History section and tap Clear History and Website Data. To be safe, select All History and enable the Close All Tabs option so any tabs you currently have open in Safari will also be cleared out. Then tap Clear History to confirm. This will clear all of your history, cookies, and other data that may contain the virus we want to remove. The next place you'll want to look for suspicious activity is in your Files app. Open your files and look through your downloads to find anything you don't recognize. If you find anything suspicious, hold down the file and tap Remove Download or Delete. If you store your files in iCloud Drive, you may want to completely clear out your iCloud Drive data to remove any malware that may be lurking there, especially if your iCloud is synced to any other Apple devices. To clear out your iCloud Drive, open your settings. Tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud. Then select Drive. Tap Manage Storage. At the bottom, tap Delete Data from iCloud. This will remove all your files from iCloud and clear out any virus that may be stored there. If none of these things seem to solve your problem, or if you really want to ensure no spyware or malware has gotten into your iPhone, you can do a complete factory reset to remove all of your data from your device and start fresh. To factory reset your iPhone, open your settings and select General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, tap Erase All Content and Settings to initiate a complete reset of your iPhone. That wraps up all our tips to remove viruses and malware from your iPhone. Want to optimize your iPhone to protect your privacy? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.